going to show you 5 effective face serums that are affordable, effective, that you can use to clear hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and sunburn on your face, that will help you have a clear, glowing, and a beautiful skin without breaking the bank, guys. These face serums are below 10,000 naira. Hi and welcome back to my channel. Good to have you again, guys. So today we'll be talking about face serums that brighten your face. If you have this dull, tired, stressed face and you want something that is not too expensive that you can use to brighten your skin, just sit back and relax. I'm going to be showing you 5 effective face serums and how to use them. First brightening facial serum that I will recommend for you is your vitamin C serum. I have 2 recommendations here for you, but now let me tell you what vitamin C does to your skin. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to fight environmental damage on your skin. It also helps to protect you from sun damage. So if you use vitamin C consistently, you will not have sunburn on your skin so long as you use it with your sunscreen. Vitamin C also helps to brighten your skin. If you have dull, tired skin, vitamin C is the serum that you should use in order to brighten your skin. And vitamin C also helps to build collagen on your skin. Now, collagen is that pigment that helps to give us this young, healthy, and supple skin. It helps also to fade fine lines and wrinkle, just to give you a youthful look. So if you use vitamin C consistently, it will help to fade your dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and sunburn. The thumb of rule with vitamin C is that firstly, you use your vitamin C in the morning and also you use it with your sunscreen. Very important, okay? Now, these are the 2 vitamin C that I have for us today. The first one is a face pack vitamin C serum. This face pack vitamin C serum helps to brighten and illuminate the skin. It can be used in the morning, as I have earlier stated. So it helps to hydrate and illuminate your skin to give you a bright, supple, and a beautiful skin. This is the bottle. This is how it looks like. This vitamin C is very good and affordable. It goes for 7,500 naira to 8,000 naira depending on where you are getting it from. It can be gotten in any cosmetic shop close to you. This vitamin C will help to brighten your skin, plump your skin, and give you a beautiful radiance and a glowing skin. It can be used by all skin type. So the first is the face pack vitamin C serum. Secondly, I also have the balance active vitamin C serum. This balance active vitamin C serum comes in 3 sizes. This is the smallest size. This is the 3% active vitamin C serum. Look at it here. This is the 3% active vitamin C serum. So this one goes for 7,000 naira to 8,000 naira depending on where you are getting it from. This vitamin C is very effective. Don't mind the fact that it comes in a very small bottle. A little drop goes a long way. It will help to brighten your skin, fade dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and give you a clear, glowing skin. Okay, use your vitamin C in the morning and do not forget to use your sunscreen while using your vitamin C, because firstly, your sunscreen will help your vitamin C to work well. So ensure to use your sunscreen while using your vitamin C. All right, guys, that is that for our vitamin C serum. And the second one that I'll be talking about is your niacinamide serum. This niacinamide serum is also from Face Facts. Now, the thing is, I just realized that Face Facts products are very effective and affordable. I think those are the most effective and affordable products out there as at today in the market. This niacinamide serum is very good, especially for those that have oily and acne prone skin, because niacinamide will help to control oil production on your face. It will also help you to minimize pores and smoothen your skin. So this niacinamide serum improves radiance and uneven skin texture. If you have uneven skin texture, this niacinamide is what you should use. Okay, use this niacinamide if you have uneven skin texture. It controls oil production on your face. This is how it looks like. This serum contains 10% niacinamide. For some persons it might be too much. Okay, so if you feel like this one is too much, I will advise that you get the Stellene niacinamide. That one is also good and it is very affordable. I think the highest amount you can get this Stellene niacinamide is 6,000 naira, yet it is effective. Do not mind the price. This niacinamide serum is for stressed and overworked skin. If your skin is looking stressed and overworked, and if you have a tempered barrier, you want something that will clear those redness and suit your skin, this niacinamide is what I would advise that you should use. It can be used in the morning and evening. This product is very, very rejuvenating. It contains betaine. Betaine also helps to brighten your skin. Alright guys, if you have watched this video to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button, put on the notification bell so that whenever I post you will get to see. Please leave a comment and like this video. That's your way of supporting me in order for YouTube to send this video to more people to watch. Okay, thank you guys. So the third brightening serum that I will recommend for you today is this brightening serum. This is Dr. Rachel Whitening Dark Spot Serum. This serum contains arbutin and niacinamide. It helps to reduce pigmentation, it fades dark spots, and gives you a smoother and a fairer skin. This product is very, very good. I think this is the only Dr. Rachel product that I give 8/10. This product, I give it 8/10 because it is that good. This product, when used consistently, can fade dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and control oil production on your skin because it contains niacinamide, which help to control oil production on our skin. It also helps to smoothen your skin texture to give you an even glowy skin. Then it also contains arbutin. Arbutin is a super brightening ingredient that helps to brighten your skin and fade dark spot. If you have discoloration and hyperpigmentation, dark spot, dark eye circle, this is the brightening serum that I would recommend that you should use. It is the same price as the vitamin C and the niacinamide. It goes for 7,500 to 8,000 naira depending on where you are getting it from. This product is very, very good. It leaves your skin looking smoother and fairer. It is for all skin type, so whether you're dry, oily, acne prone, sensitive, you can use this skin brightening serum and it will give you the results that you desire. Let me read the benefits of this product for you. Contains arbutin and niacinamide ingredient. This highly efficacious facial serum brightens and clarifies skin for increased radiance. I have talked about that. With time, it diminishes dark spots and skin discoloration. Improve your skin for a visibly brighter and more radiant skin. If you want something that will fade your dark spot, hyperpigmentation, give you a clear glowing skin without breaking the bank, these are your guys. Choose from any of these and you're good to go. Alright guys, the fourth brightening serum that I have for you today is the retinol serum. I can't talk about brightening face serum without mentioning retinol serum. Now, this retinol serum is not to be used every day. Let me say that first before I tell you what it does to your skin. This serum is not to be used every day. It is to be used 2 to 3 times in a week, okay? Now, what does retinol do to the skin? Retinol is an anti-aging skincare product that help to fade fine lines, wrinkle, dark spot, and give your skin a healthy, glowing, and a supple skin. I tell people that from the age of 25, you should start using retinol. It is very, very important. You see all these fine lines and wrinkles that start coming out beneath your eyes, on your forehead, and even your hands. If you have wrinkled hands, this is the serum that you should use, okay? Even those that have chicken skin, like those people that have chicken skin on their hands and on their leg, this serum is very, very effective. It will target aging and give you a more youthful, healthy, and a glowing skin. It helps to treat the signs of aging in the quest for a more youthful appearance. It will help to fight the visible signs of aging. It is gentle yet effective. It helps your skin to feel younger and healthier. This serum is enriched with jojoba oil and vitamin E. It helps to hydrate and calm your skin, allowing it to feel softer and smoother. So this serum is very, very good. Guys, even if you're using vitamin C serum, you're using niacinamide, you're using this arbutin serum, you can still use this one. Just get this one so long as you're from the age of 25. It is very, very important to start using anti-aging product in order to remain beautiful and young. Get a retinol serum. Use it 2 to 3 times in a week. But if you're using your vitamin C serum, you cannot pair it with retinol serum. You can pair retinol serum with niacinamide, but you cannot pair it with vitamin C serum. So I would advise that the day you're using your retinol serum, just use your retinol serum alone without pairing it with any other serum. Use the retinol serum in the evenings only, 2 times in a week, and when you use it, use your moisturizer. Okay guys, the last serum that I'm going to be talking about is your ceramide serum. I do not have the product here, so this is the picture. This is how your ceramide serum looks like, and this is also from Face Fact. This ceramide serum helps to soothe your skin, especially for those that are experiencing redness. If you're experiencing redness due to chemical reaction on your skin, due to exposure to sunlight or whatever it is that is causing that redness on your face, ceramide serum is what you should use, because it will help to soothe your skin. And this very product also contains hyaluronic acid that helps to hydrate your skin for a more supple and a healthy moisturized skin. This product here is so nourishing. It contains 3 ceramides that help to nourish and protect your skin. It also helps to build your skin barrier if it has been tampered with. If you're having this redness on your skin, ceramide serum is what you need. And thank God this very one contains 3 ceramide that helps to repair and nourish your skin. It also contains hyaluronic acid, I have said that before, to hydrate your skin. It is nourishing. It helps to protect and soothe your skin, make it supple and beautiful, help to brighten your skin and give you this radiant, supple and a well blended skin. It gives you a healthy skin because this very serum is a skin repairing serum. You can use it in the morning and evening. It can be used by all skin type, whether you're dry, oily, acne prone, sensitive, normal or combination skin. You can use this ceramide serum to build your skin barrier, and this serum can be used both in the morning and in the evening. So if you have this stressed, dehydrated skin that needs something to calm it down, something to hydrate and make it look beautiful, plump and healthy, this ceramide serum is a serum that you should go for. All right guys, here we have it guys, 5 facial serums that will help to brighten and plump your skin. Which one will you be using? Which one have you tried before? Did it work for you? Thank you and have a fantastic time. Bye.